As we go about our busy lives, going to work, school, and traveling, we are always aware that we will be able to come back to our safe haven that we call home. But today, millions of Americans and over 1 billion people around the world don't have a safe haven to return to due to the high cost of housing and the lack of affordable, decent rental properties. To compound this problem further, the wages for many of the skilled and semi-skilled workers have not increased fast enough to keep pace with the rising cost of homes. The method of building homes and other structures has not changed much over the past 100 years. Using the same basic building materials and construction techniques significantly limits builders' ability to create smaller, more affordable housing, as the costs associated with scaling down don't apply in the construction market. In addition, the ability to find skilled construction tradesmen is becoming increasingly more difficult as a large number of young men and women are opting out of manual labor jobs and moving into the digital market. This factor, combined with the inability to reduce construction costs, has forced the building industry to continually raise prices, making it more difficult to find affordable housing. This lack of affordable housing does not discriminate. It affects teachers, policemen, firemen, skilled labor, service industry workers, and veterans. In 2012, Don Maselli started the Inglewood Incubation Center to get STEM-based students into the process of designing and making tangible objects. Working with high school students, he was introduced to a technology called 3D printing. Utilizing 3D modeling software, one could create a three-dimensional object and create it using some plastic filament using the 3D printer. Over the past 6 years, we became obsessed with this technology, eventually establishing Lightworld LLC to promote and sell a high-end line of 3D printers. Over time, we have placed 3D printers in over 50 schools, libraries, and youth organizations in Southwest Florida. We also provide 3D mini-camps for students aged 8 to 18 at our EIC facility and have since 2013. By the beginning of 2017, 3D printing had now been used in prototyping in every industry in the world. Demonstrating the enormous benefits of creating any object and then printing it in 3 dimensions, it was inevitable that the ability to use this technology to print homes was the next logical step. The concept of using this technology in the construction industry and the possibility of constructing homes and other structures started in 2015 when the Chinese built 10 small home structures in 24 hours using a 3D printing system. In addition, several organizations overseas have successfully demonstrated the ability to use modified 3D robotic printer to build homes in 24 hours or less, building structures faster, stronger, better than ever before. In 2016, we realized this could be a real solution to reducing the cost associated with housing. And in 2017, 3D Build Systems was founded and is continuing to develop this emerging technology for construction with our own teams. Today, the need for affordable, safe, well-designed housing has reached critical mass. We have seen families of 5 or more trying to live in 800-square-foot homes and paying upwards of $1,200 a month, and families with incomes of $40,000 not able to qualify to housing due to the ever-increasing cost. Since launching our project, we have had numerous businesses and individuals begin to take note and inquire on ways to become involved with our venture. Contractors and developers from various parts of the U.S. have expressed a strong interest in working with us to help them move into what is considered the next phase of construction. In addition, 3D Build Systems has been approached by organizations from over 5 different countries. All have the same or greater challenges with affordable housing. 3D Build Systems is a multifaceted operation that will include materials development, a 3D printing additive manufacturing division, coding and programming, robotics, and an education division to train our own technicians. Our mission has always been to help change the economic landscape by creating opportunities, spurring economic growth, and providing a better life for the people who live and work in our communities. As we continue to develop the robotic construction technology, 3D Build Systems would like everyone to have an opportunity to be a part of what is now being referred to as the 4th Industrial Revolution. An investment in 3D Build Systems is not merely a contribution, but an investment in the company's goal of bettering humanity's future. This is an opportunity to take part in a process that is at the forefront of emerging transformative technology that will be world-changing. We thought about the best way to have the public be a part of this program, and while we thought about having you donate $5 for a token keychain or a t-shirt, we have a better idea. 3D Build Systems will print a large wall in a location with access by the public. For a small investment of $250, we will place your name on either a 3D printed plaque or on an LED sign that will be solar powered. This will be called the Wall of Change, and your name will be prominently displayed for everyone to see. The need for safe, affordable shelter is one of the basic needs for humans. In a world where the cost of housing has surpassed the ability of millions of people in the U.S. and billions of people around the world, there needs to be a way to solve this crisis, and we believe technology is the answer. You can help create a world where everyone can live in a home like the one you return to each and every day. 3D Build Systems, changing the world, or at least the way we build it.